The Schiebel S-100 Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (UAV) system has been officially inducted into the Indian Navy, showcasing its operational readiness and integration into naval operations. With its vertical takeoff and landing capability, the S-100 is well suited for deployment on naval vessels, as it can operate without the need for a runway or launch infrastructure. Bharat Dynamics Limited (BDL) expresses confidence in obtaining international orders for its indigenous Astra MkII beyond visual range air-to-air missile and smart anti-air weapon systems. The company anticipates significant success in exporting these advanced defense technologies to global markets. Ordnance Factory Medak (OFMK) successfully completes annual flotation trials for indigenously manufactured BMP-II infantry combat vehicles, showcasing impressive amphibious capabilities. The 14-ton vehicles demonstrated agility on land, reaching 60 kmph, and in water, maintaining 7 kmph. With features like a 30mm cannon, night vision, and anti-tank missile launcher, the BMP-II proves its firepower, mobility, and versatility. OFMK's commitment to cutting-edge military equipment enhances India's defense capabilities and self-reliance. DRDO's year-end review highlights successful tests of an advanced air-to-air missile with solid-fuel ducted ramjet SFDR propulsion. This technology, part of the Astra MkII program, enhances Indian air-to-air missiles, rivaling European systems. Plans include a long-range surface-to-air variant, showcasing DRDO's commitment to cutting-edge air defense for countering diverse aerial threats. India's Tejas MkII program gains momentum with accelerated funding and key component tenders, targeting enhanced capabilities. Recent procurements include LRUs, data acquisition systems, and more, scheduled for delivery from early to mid-2024. The jigless assembly setup innovation aims for post-mid-2024 completion, anticipating Tejas MkII rollout by early or mid-2026, contingent on overcoming ongoing procurement challenges.